Hey Huns, welcome to my channel. Today I have two wigs for you. Both are the Dominican Curly style by Outre. The first one I have here is a lace front in the color DR2730, which is dark roots to a dark blondish color. It comes with 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back with an adjustable strap. The parting space is super tiny, and I did decide against wearing this wig today, so I will just save it for a later time. I do love how full and big it is, plus it's really lightweight. I think I definitely do like it better as a side part. But anyway, if you want to see how I fully style this hair, make sure you come back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how I style the other Dominican curly hair I got, except this one's a half wig and it's in the color 1B. This wig has 1 long comb in the front because it's meant to be worn so you can leave hair out. I'm going to show you how I style it with very minimal leave out. And I'm not going to talk a lot through this. I just want you to see what I do and how I make this wig look natural. And I'll be back. So I had to bring some more of my hair back out because it just wasn't enough to cover up the entire hairline of the wig. Here I'm just separating the curls out so they're less defined and to make it look more fro-like and not as flat. I had to use some of my Gorilla Snot glue because my edges just do not stay down with the Eco Styler gel, and using this glue really just gets my edges to be really slick and stay in place for the most part. I am going to use the Eco Styler for my baby hairs just to get them to lay smooth. I'm trimming the ends of the hair that were a little bit longer than the rest of it, and then I'll continue to go throughout the hair to cut it more to shape my face. It did come with some layers, but not really, just in the bangs. Everything else was pretty much the same length. Because of how little leave out I left out, I was trying to see about styling it so I can just cover up the hairline. I just felt a little self-conscious about it showing. And then I do end up just cutting the bangs a little bit to give it a cute little fro look. I actually didn't even end up wearing the hair like this. This was sort of just a backup plan in case the flip over method didn't work, but I do end up styling it like that, so I will show you in a little bit. Now this is the trick to making the hairline undetectable, because I'm taking my leave out and kind of twisting it in with the curly hair to blend it in better. A lot of this now is just pretty much me trying to get the perfect flip over and separating the curls a little more, trying to get the perfect dimension. Now I'm using a third product on my edges because just getting these things to lay down when you're natural is such hard work, but I do love this stuff. This is like a touch-up edge control by Cantu, and it works really good and smells good. I'm kind of just putting the finishing touches on styling this wig, and this is Outre Dominican Curly. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you did like this video, then give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on my social media to stay in touch with me in between videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.